Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix localhost. First of all, we will need to download this one for Windows, and I have just this one, PHP 64-bit. It's more useful. After you have downloaded, it will show this one. So, open the control panel over here. And the first thing you need to do is to go on the first one and configure it. All right, here it will show this one, the format. Or you can just create a folder and open Explorer and go to the folder you have created, one folder, and open it. After you have opened it, it will not show you anymore any error because you have already configured it. Alright, so if this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.